Okay. Uh, in first problem, first we are creating an employee class, and after that we are creating a constructor to initialize these attributes, id, name, and attributes of the employee. After that, in second question, they given to find the number of count of the number of employees. So initially we are creating number of employees equals to 0. After that we are adding these. Next, they ask us to create two classes, full-time employee and part-time employee. These full-time employee will inherit the attributes of the parent class, which is employee. So to inherit those, we are using here super keyword. uh, after that uh, after that there is a give rise method. For full-time employee it is increasing 10%, so we are passing here 10%. But for part-time it is 5%, so here we are passing it as 5%. After that we are creating three functions: pay, fire, and is employed. Pay means if the salary is get paid means the balance should be increased, so here we are adding the salary to the balance. Then fire means if salary equals to 0 and is employed equals to false, then the employee is fired. And again we are creating is employee function, uh, which will check the status of the employee. If it is true means he is employed. Next we are creating an input file. Initially we are creating an empty list of all employee list and full-time employee salary list and part-time employee salary list. After that we are here reading the input text. If first attribute in if first one in the list is equals to new means, then we are passing id, name, and department, and salary. If it is equals to rise means, then we should increment the rise of its salary. If it is equals to pay means, then it should return the payment of the salary. If it is equals to fire means, we should just remove it. After that, then we are uh, we are using these to append the salary of the each employee. Then we are opening the output text, and we are writing the employee name, id, and department. And after that we are calculating the current salary. If there is no current if there is no salary means he is not employed with the company. Then we are adding the average of the full-time and part-time employees, and returning them, just like this. Next part will be continued by my partner.
Hi, in the second program, initially we are importing the libraries like request, beautiful save, and a random to our program. And then furtherly, we are using the get method of the request library and sending the URL. After that, we are saving the response in the response object. And then to print the title of the page, we have matched the ID with the first heading, and then we print the title of that page. And furtherly, uh, to link a page with the a tag, we have used find all method. So dot find all. It's a loop for loop used to find all the A's in the Wikipedia page, and then we create the tag which starts with the href in the Wikipedia page. That's all. Thank you.